Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, fine in your own daily life. So right now I'm at home. I just want you to show around here in my house. So this is my house. I just completed washing my clothes and all. So I just finished it now only. So I'm taking rest now. I think I will go and sleep and rest until I fully recover. Then I will go back to my work again. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here today I'm coming back home because my body is pain and everything is pain in my body. I have shoot one video with someone, so I got fracture in my body. When we are in the fighting shoot, so all my body are pain. So I went back home. I stopped working. So this is my house, still building, not finished yet. So I hope you enjoy my video, and we will meet again in another video. So that is downstairs of our room. That is the biggest jackfruit of our. So this is all my clothes that I have washed. So this over there is the main road. So here is the my neighborhood house. Neighborhood. Here a lot of pumpkin my mother kept. I hope you like this video. We will meet again in another video. So this is the front of our house. See, that is the main gate coming to my house.